Hey everyone! Let me ask you something. Have you ever prepared a medical device submission for South Korea and still face delays, queries, or even rejection? You're not alone. Most manufacturers come in confident. We have ISO 13485, we have CE or FDA, our documentation is ready. But once they submit to Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, everything changes. Unexpected RFIs, requests for information, long review timelines, confusing requirements, multiple resubmissions. And the biggest frustration? We thought we did everything right. Here's the truth. MFDS is not difficult, it's detail sensitive. And if you miss those details, you lose time, you lose money, you lose market opportunity. In this video, we're going deep. Complete MFDS application process, step by step, timeline, realistic, cost breakdown, very important, documents required mistakes, with real examples, proven strategy to reduce delays. Let's get into it. Part 1, the real problem. Let's start with reality. Why do MFDS applications fail or get delayed? Top pain points. We keep getting RFIs, timeline is longer than expected, our documentation was rejected, we don't understand MFDS expectations. Root causes. No clear regulatory strategy, poor document alignment, weak local coordination, underestimating MFDS scrutiny. Key insight. MFDS doesn't reject randomly, it flags inconsistencies. Example, technical file says one thing, CR says another, labeling says something else. Result, RFI and delay. Part 2, step-by-step MFDS application process. Let's break this down in detail. Step 1. Appoint Korea license holder, KLH. Mandatory for foreign manufacturers. Role. Legal representative, submission handler, communication bridge. Problem. Choosing wrong KLH. Impact. Delays plus miscommunication. Step 2. Device classification. MFDS uses risk-based classification. Problem. Wrong classification. Impact. Incorrect submission pathway. Fix. Align classification carefully. Step 3. KGMP certification. Required for most devices. Problem. Ignoring KGMP timeline. Impact. Submission delay. Insight. KGMP and MFDS application go hand in hand. Step 4. Technical documentation preparation. This is the core of your application. Includes device description, design and manufacturing, info, risk management, clinical data labeling, and IFU. Problem. Copy-paste documentation. Example. Using EU file without localization. Result. RFI. Step 5. Clinical data submission. Depends on device risk. Problem. Weak clinical justification. Impact. Additional study request. Step 6. Application submission. Done via KLH. Includes application form, all documents, fees. Step 7. MFDS review, critical phase. 2 stages. Administrative review, technical review. Problem. Incomplete submission. Result. Immediate delay. Step 8. Requests for information, RFI. Very common. Problem. Slow or weak responses. Example. Generic answer, more queries. Fix. Clear, structured, evidence-based replies. Step 9. Approval and registration. Final stage. Output. Device approval, market entry. Part 3. Timeline. Realistic MFDS timeline. Class 1, 1 to 3 months. Class 2, 3 to 6 months. Class 3, 6 to 12 months. Class 4, 9 to 18 months. With issues? Add 6 to 12 months. Example. Poor documentation, multiple RFIs, delay. Key insight. Timeline depends more on quality than complexity. Part 4. Cost breakdown. Very important section. Application costs. MFDS fees $1,000 to $10,000. KLH fees $5,000 to $30,000 per year. Preparation costs. Documentation $5,000 to $25,000. Clinical data $10,000 to $500,000 plus KGMP $10,000 to $50,000. Total cost. Typically $20,000 to $600,000 plus. Hidden costs. Resubmission additional testing delayed market entry. Example, weak clinical new trial plus $200K. Key insight, bad strategy equals exponential cost increase. Part 5, documents required. Core documents, application form, power of attorney, KLH, ISO 13485 certificate, KGMP documents technical file, clinical data/CR, risk management file, labeling, and IFU. Problem, inconsistent documents. Fix, ensure alignment across all files. Part 6, common mistakes. Mistake 1, no strategy. Result, delays plus rework. Mistake 2, copy-paste technical file. Example, EU file reused. Result, rejection. Mistake 3, weak clinical data. Result, additional requirements. Mistake 4, poor KLH selection. Result, communication gaps. Mistake 5, slow RFI response. Result, review paused. Mistake 6, ignoring KGMP. Result, submission delay. Mistake 7, misaligned documents. Result, multiple RFIs. Mistake 8, late planning. Result, extended timeline. Part 7, final strategy. How to get MFDS approval faster. Start with strong strategy align, all documentation choose right KLH prepare for RFIs plan clinical data early. One line, MFDS approval is about precision, not volume. If you're planning to enter South Korea, don't let MFDS delays cost you time and money. Because poor planning equals long delays, weak documentation equals rejection, wrong strategy equals huge cost. Why choose OMC Medical? End-to-end MFDS support, KLH coordination, KGMP, and documentation, clinical strategy, faster approvals. Whether you're starting fresh or fixing a delayed submission, talk to OMC Medical experts today. If this video helped you understand the MFDS application process, follow OMC Medical for more deep regulatory insights. And we'll see you in the next video.